Today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and have an up-close look at the NerdAxe that has been sent to me by Bitcoin Merch. So thanks for Bitcoin Merch for sending this out to me. So we'll have a look today, see what it looks like, compare the size to how it looks to the Bitaxe Gamma 601. And if you subscribe, you will see a few more videos on how to set this up, and we'll also check the power usage of it, because these are supposed to be a very efficient Bitcoin miner. So subscribe, and we'll look forward to seeing some of those videos in the future. But today, let's have a look and see what it looks like. So protected very well, has some nice soft padding. So it looks like also in here was a Bitcoin coin, just a little resembling Bitcoin coin, and some stickers, Bitcoin Merch and some Bitcoin stickers it looks like. Move these out the way and we'll have a look, see what else comes in here. So now this does come with the power supply. They send out a US power supply, so if you're in a different country you may need an adapter, but the adapters are fairly easy to get depending on where you're from. I've just got one of these power boards which do a multi-region just in case I get other products from different regions with different power supplies. Now I'm not sure what color I get, because these actually come in a range of different colors. Looks like it's a purple one. Now if you want to purchase any of these, you can use the link that I'll leave in the description. You can pick your own color, add a few accessories if you like as well, and if you use my discount code you also save a little bit of money, so check that if it's something you're interested in. But here it is. We'll also be turning this one on today just to see what the screen looks like, and then I'll compare it to the Bitaxe Gamma 601 here. So you can already see there's a bit of a difference. It does appear to have a different fan, so there's more blades in this fan here. The screen size is a lot bigger, plus as well it's in a 3D printed case. As you can see, that looks like it looks like a 3D printed case, but it's made from a similar sort of material. Maybe it's 3D printed, maybe it's not 100% sure, but yeah, case looks quite good. Seems to stand up okay. With the Bitaxe Gamma 601, generally they recommend to have a little stand which is available purchased with it. Otherwise you do have to find a way of sort of sitting it up, but this one does seem okay at the moment. So what we'll do is I'll plug it in, just see what it looks like. So it does, if you're going to get a different power supply, use 5 volts and 6 amps if you decide to get another. Otherwise, as I said, use an adapter. So let's open this up and have a look. Then I'll put the two side by side. I've set up the Bitaxe Gamma 601 in the past, so that will appear to be a bit different and look like it's already set up. Okay, that one's plugged in. Now, there we go. So this is completely fresh, unset up, so not sure what it's going to say on the screen. As I said in a later video, we will set it up and go from there. I'm just going to plug this in, find the right socket. That socket's going to work out. So as you can see, it is a bit bigger than the Bitaxe Gamma 601. Screen size is a lot better. I do like how it's like embedded into the plastic and it's being held in, because this Bitaxe one, it can become very flimsy. As you see, that one can cut out, so you can you'll miss out on seeing what's actually going on. We'll unplug this for the moment. Okay. Now the fan does have a little bit of noise to it, but otherwise it doesn't seem too bad. I've noticed here it seems to have a bit of an extension piece. So let's see if that's... Yeah, so it does use this little adapter here, but the good thing is that adapter will fit any of these sort of plugs here. So it does have a special adapter, so it's not the exact same, that you'll use on the Bitaxe Gamma. If you do want to use it, you would take off this adapter and then put it straight onto the Bitaxe Gamma plug here. So just do a quick demo of that. Because they are, last time I checked, both 6 amps, or at least the one I've got here for it. That might have come from the Mars lander. But yep, that connects to one of these ends and then should connect straight into here. As I said, I do like the color screen, a lot larger, a lot better to see and use. And then it will show all the setup details here. So if you subscribe, we'll do a quick setup in the future, see how much power it does use, and then go through the setup process. Anyway, that's all for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, got a bit of information about it, the product. And if you want to purchase it, just check out the link below, description with a discount code, and hopefully you can hit a Bitcoin block. Very hard in these sort of things, but still, it's good fun, and you've got to be in it to win it. Thanks for watching.